So in India, during the British colonialism, they had a bit of a strange problem where they had a Cobra outbreak in the streets. This was due to the agricultural nature of the environment, and so the authority offered people a bounty for each Cobra that they would deliver to them, and this led to people taking advantage of that and raising Cobras just to deliver to the authority. And when the bounty program was cancelled, people let out their Cobras into the streets, which led to an even worse problem, an even bigger problem. So this was later known as the Cobra effect, and this can be seen also in history in places like Mexico, where to reduce pollution, they banned certain car plates from driving on certain days, and this also led to people buying second cars and driving them on those days. This led to an even worse pollution problem to the environment. It can be seen in Vietnam during the French colonialism, where the authority offered a bounty on rat tails. They offered a bounty for each rat tail delivered, and this led to people collecting and raising rats just to give them to the authority and get the bounty. It can be seen in company KPIs, where companies focus, for example, in call center, on shorter call times, and so call center agents are now more concerned with keeping the call short rather than giving the best service to the customer. So why does this happen? It happens for a variety of reasons. For example, narrow KPIs, where KPIs are narrow, they only serve only one task and they ignore the bigger picture. But also because of the nature of human beings, that they want to game the system. They always want to get creative and find a way to have take advantage of the system. So how do we prevent this? So first we need to monitor the system that we make for opportunities of people taking advantage of it, and because people always get creative and they always try to game the system, but also um, yeah, try to stop them from taking advantage of the system, and also change our KPIs to be more on the bigger picture, not just a simple task. So that was briefly the Cobra effect. Um, Also, an example would be to give a bonus on the action, give a bonus on the outcome, not the action. So, for example, in the Cobra example, we could have divided the areas and assigned people for each area to collect Cobras there, and after a period of time, we would check if Cobras really decrease in that area, if the environment is better there, and based on that, we would give a bonus to the people. So by this, we're giving bonus only when the problem was solved, not only for the action that was made to solve the problem. So this was the Cobra effect. I hope you found this useful.